CommsChannel has created a comprehensive knowledge-based system, KBS, for our partners to handle customer queries and find technical answers without needing assistance from our help desk. From the top right of your customer portal, click on the question mark icon to access the KBS. This will open the knowledge base in a new tab. You are now in our KBS. At the top, you can find the Home button to return to this page, and next to it is the Knowledge Base button. You can also see a Tickets button, but this will be covered in the next video. We have opened the KBS publicly with a URL, meaning you don't have to be logged in to use it. We kept the navigation very simple for ease. If you know what you're looking for, you can start typing your phrase or keywords. Here, let's find information about the travel pack. The KBS search is optimized for quick results and will immediately display relevant articles. You can select whichever one is closer to your query. Once clicked, it will take you to the article. For navigation, you can see the Home button and next to it the section title. In this case, you are in the mobile KBS. We have also added a summary frame where you can find quick links to jump exactly where you want to be without going through all the information. If any article needs additional data that couldn't be incorporated directly, we add it as an attachment placed at the end of the article. You will also find the most recent articles published by CommsChannel in the Recent Articles section. Click on the CommsChannel Customer Portal button to return to the home page. You can also navigate through the categories without using the search option. Users can make their way to a specific category, such as mobile, and find the list of articles available in that section. If a user needs to find information about call forwarding, they can click on the desired link and the article will open the same way as earlier. The KBS will also display related articles along with recent articles. Click on CommsChannel Customer Portal to return to the home page. The purpose of the KBS is to equip our partners with guidelines, how-tos, and technical insights to better serve and assist end users. We are also in the process of adding more articles about our latest customer portal. Click on Customer Portal New to find information about its navigation and how you can manage and provision your services. We are also adding videos to make the experience interactive and simple to understand. The KBS also guides partners on how to report issues to the CommsChannel Help Desk with the required information, helping us investigate problems professionally and efficiently.